The hunger for illumination, especially at night, has been a constant throughout human history. The quest to harness electricity for the creation of light was driven by the potential for profit and the desire to bring light to the darkness. This video explores the journey of the light bulb, from its early beginnings to the LED revolution of today. The story begins in 1802, when Humphrey Davy, a British chemist, experimented with platinum and electricity, producing a brief, intense light. This was one of the earliest experiments with artificial electric light and set the stage for further developments. In 1806, Davy extended his work to carbon filaments, creating an electric arc lamp. However, these early attempts were hindered by the limited power available from batteries, and it took over 2 decades for significant progress to be made. The missing piece of the puzzle was a reliable vacuum pump, which would prevent filaments from burning out. This critical component was invented by German chemist Hermann Sprengel in 1865. With the improved vacuum technology, inventors were now able to create incandescent lamps. In 1878, British physicist and chemist Joseph Swan developed an incandescent lamp using a carbonized cotton thread in a vacuum. This marked a significant milestone in the development of the light bulb. Around the same time, in the United States, Thomas Edison began working on electric lighting. Edison was already a well-known inventor, having developed the phonograph and the quadruplex telegraph. His first attempts used a platinum filament, similar to what others had tried, but he realized that it consumed too much power. Edison swapped the platinum filament for carbon and enclosed it in a vacuum. In 1880, he received a patent for his incandescent lamp, and it famously burned for 2 days. While Edison didn't invent the light bulb, he perfected a commercially viable version and played a crucial role in bringing it to market. In the 1920, several major light bulb manufacturers, including General Electric and Philips, formed the Phoebus Cartel to control light bulb prices and limit their lifespan to 1,000 hours. This marked one of the earliest examples of planned obsolescence. During the same period, fluorescent lighting began to gain prominence. By converting ultraviolet light through phosphor coating, fluorescent bulbs became more efficient and provided a cooler alternative to incandescents. These were primarily used in office buildings. In 1976, the compact fluorescent bulb was introduced, aiming to reduce energy consumption. However, it faced challenges due to its high cost, strange color, and limited dimming capabilities, which deterred consumer adoption. Government initiatives encouraged the use of compact fluorescent bulbs, but their quality couldn't match that of incandescents. The breakthrough that changed the lighting landscape came with the development of efficient blue light-emitting diodes, LEDs, in the early 1990s. Blue LEDs paved the way for white LED light through phosphor conversion. LEDs offered unparalleled energy efficiency, longer lifespans, and the ability to control color and brightness. The efficiency of white LEDs has increased dramatically in recent years, making them the dominant lighting technology. The LED revolution continues, with ongoing research focused on enhancing efficiency and quality. LED lighting has become an integral part of our lives, from residential spaces to smart devices. As we move forward, the focus is shifting towards circadian lighting, which aims to create lighting environments that positively impact our health, well-being, and productivity. Lighting technology is increasingly tailored to our specific needs and preferences. The journey of the light bulb is a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. From the early experiments of Humphrey Davy to the LED revolution of today, lighting technology has come a long way. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content.